Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we have a dual motor Model X that from the exterior doesn't look like it's been that customized. I mean, yes, our 22-inch TSS wheels in space gray have been installed with Pirelli P0 tires. This is the original Tesla recommended tire. And the windows have been tinted using 3M Crystalline film. We haven't spoken about tint in a while, and I want to kind of just go over it again, how important it is for you to use 3M Crystalline film to protect your skin, to protect the interior, because it does have a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays. It will also help cool the overall interior temperature by up to 15 degrees. But as you can see, there's no chrome delete, there's no red tees, because we actually focused on the interior. Let's go inside and let me show you what we did. So welcome to the interior of this Model X that came to us with the Tesla vegan interior. And while that might work for some, it definitely did not work for this owner. So he came to us and his vision was, I want to have a two-tone interior that's using Ferrari cream leather. And this is the real Ferrari cream leather hides. We actually import them from Europe, from the tanneries, and just go ahead and put it in just the right places. So starting off with the seats, they've been completely reupholstered using the cream leather. We perforated the seat inserts so that it has a better visual. Also, it breathes a little bit better. We did the lower dash, the center console, the armrests, all finished in cream leather. And to tie it in, we had to go to the doors. We could not leave the doors all black. So the curved insert inside each door panel has now been reupholstered in the cream leather, and we gave it our signature diamond quilt. This quilting design is very sporty, very classy as well, and the upper V-neck area, as we call it, on each seat also got the diamond quilting. So now it really flows. The figured ash dash and door decor works great with the cream, and to put the finishing touches on it, we reupholstered the steering wheel completely using the cream leather on the upper and lower curved areas and then black leather on the sides. Feels better, looks richer, and really is like the icing on the cake for this interior. Thank you, Tesla fans, for watching. I hope you really like this interior and what we did to this Model X. Please leave some comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions. And then, of course, if you have yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe because we have so many more amazing Teslas to share with you soon.